This is a typical view of our neighborhood. The following eclipse video is taken from 300 feet above the ground. We start looking due west, then we circle around counterclockwise. Now we are looking directly towards the center of the eclipse in the far distance, and it is racing towards us. We make 3 full turns while the eclipse passes over us. See that radio tower in the distance? That is directly south. It is obvious we are on the eastern edge of the eclipse, as it is light to the east and dark to the west. The visible street lights make it obvious we are close to the full eclipse. Right about now we are in full eclipse. The light you see from the east is due to reflection from the clouds. Here we look due west and the eclipse goes for about 100 miles. As we circle back to the east, the eclipse is only 20 miles to the edge. We are now looking south again. We are in maximum eclipse for Austin, Texas at 1:35 p.m. We are located 8 miles south-southwest of downtown. There is a faint line in the far distance where the edge of the eclipse is located. Once again, the light you see in the clouds is reflected from the clouds further to the east, outside the eclipse. Looking straight to the north. Now looking towards the center of the eclipse, we are looking west-northwest as the eclipse is moving towards the northeast part of the United States. As we approach a south view, it is obvious it is lighter, as we are now leaving full eclipse. The east view is much brighter. Looking directly north, the eclipse is moving away from us. The sun is 400 times wider than our moon, and the sun is 400 times further away than our moon. That makes for a perfect shadow. Even to the west, it is getting brighter. The closer the moon is to us, the larger the eclipse will be. The moon orbit is not perfectly spherical, so we get eclipse shadow size variables. This eclipse was 120 miles in diameter. A view directly south at the radio tower reveals the end of the solar eclipse. Normally I would point the drone camera down about 15 degrees further, but capturing the clouds was important. If you missed it, don't worry. There is another eclipse traveling across Texas equivalent to this one coming in 2343. Be sure to put that on your calendar. It is only 320 years from now.